It's time to get to know the best channels to master the use of VSDC. After watching this video, please leave your like and subscribe. Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you are very well. In this video, I made a selection of 2 very good channels to improve your abilities at using VSDC. If you haven't watched the previous videos, editing videos for YouTube part 1, 2 and 3, I suggest you to do so because they are going to help you to build a very good video for YouTube. So, shall we start? Figurative Arc is an excellent channel to learn about video editing, and among these videos you can have some about the VSDC. Okay, so in this one, for example, you can learn how to zoom in and out text, and this one how to create split screen oval. So you can have a look at this channel and try to watch these videos to improve your video quality. And the best option if you want to know how to manage the VSDC Free Video Editor and create amazing videos is the own channel of the VSDC. So in this channel you can learn how to make a lot of things, okay? So you can make a very good upgrade in your videos. For example, you can have the 5 best motion tracking effects made with the VSDC. Also, you can create perspective, create a meme, so you have plenty of options here to make an excellent video for your channel. These were my suggestions for you. Please check them out. I'm sure that you're gonna love them. And before leaving, please leave your like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time!